Today, I beckon you to delve deeper into a realm of self-awareness and empowerment, focusing on a principle that is both foundational and transformative. That principle is personal accountability. In the vast expanse of life, where unpredictability reigns and circumstances often sway like the wind, it is our unwavering commitment to being answerable for our actions that truly distinguishes us and provides an unparalleled edge. William Ernest Henley, the brilliant mind behind Invictus, once eloquently stated, "I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul." These words are not mere poetic musings, but a profound testament to the power of personal accountability. It's the profound understanding that while the world outside may be tumultuous, we possess the inner sovereignty to dictate our responses, choices, and ultimately, our destiny. But what makes personal accountability the linchpin in gaining a competitive edge in life? At the heart of personal accountability lies the ethos of ownership. Owning our actions, whether triumphant or erroneous, not only garners trust and respect from peers, but also catalyzes our journey of self-improvement. When we candidly acknowledge our missteps, we create an environment conducive to learning and rectification. Taking accountability helps you achieve clarity of purpose. Embracing accountability translates to operating with laser-focused intentionality. This unwavering clarity acts as our North Star, consistently guiding our decisions and actions, ensuring alignment with our overarching goals and aspirations. Accountability helps you gain empowerment from within. True empowerment stems from accountability. Rather than resorting to the blame game or feeling ensnared by external events, we seize our inherent power. We become proactive architects of our fate, charting our course with conviction. Self-accountability helps with enhanced decision-making. Accountability is synonymous with introspection. By perpetually evaluating our choices and their ramifications, we hone our decision-making prowess, equipping ourselves to adeptly tackle life's multifaceted challenges. Accountability helps in building credibility. Warren Buffett, a titan of the business world, once remarked, "It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it." Through personal accountability, we not only construct but also steadfastly uphold a reputation characterized by integrity, trustworthiness, and dependability. Accountability helps in fostering continuous growth. Holding ourselves accountable is an open invitation to feedback and constructive critique. Embracing this feedback with an open heart and mind accelerates both our personal and professional evolution. Self-accountability helps with driving tangible results. At its core, accountability is intrinsically results-driven. When we pledge ourselves to a mission or objective and remain accountable for its fruition, we amplify our chances of realizing tangible, impactful outcomes. Self-accountability helps in building resilience and tenacity. Embracing responsibility, especially amidst adversities, cultivates resilience. It fortifies us to confront challenges with grit, extract lessons from them, and emerge with renewed vigor. Taking accountability helps with strengthening relationships. Personal accountability fosters trust in interpersonal relationships. Whether in personal spheres or professional arenas, being accountable ensures transparent, honest, and fruitful interactions, laying the foundation for lasting relationships. Accountability helps with cultivating a proactive mindset. Accountability nurtures a proactive rather than reactive mindset. Instead of being swayed by events, we anticipate, prepare, and lead, ensuring we're always a step ahead. In summation, personal accountability is more than a mere principle or philosophy. It's a dynamic way of life, a compass that not only guides but also enriches our journey. It's the silent force that propels us from mediocrity to excellence, ensuring we lead a life marked by purpose, integrity, and noteworthy achievements. As we traverse the intricate pathways of life, let's champion personal accountability as our trusted ally, ensuring that our journey is not just about reaching milestones, but also about the wisdom, growth, and fulfillment we garner along the way.